All right, guys, today for our at-home activity, we're going to be doing some measurement. So I am going to show you how to get your child to measure without needing measuring tools. In preschool, we really start with using non-conventional measuring tools. So that just means like we're not using a ruler or a yardstick or anything like that. So here we go. I'm about to show you how to do it. What you're going to do is you're going to have your child lay down on the floor, okay? And I'm probably like a little too big for this screen, but we'll try it. Okay, so you're going to have them lay down, and you're going to mark how tall they are, okay? So I'm just going to use like a pencil right here for my head, okay? And then I'll use another pencil down here for my feet, okay? I know that's not exactly how tall I am, but it fits in the screen. So I've got my pencil here and my pencil here, and this marks how tall I am. Okay, you're going to do that with your child. You can use anything, tape or, I don't know, just two indicators of how long they are. Okay, and then you're going to find something around the house for them to place between the two markers of how tall they are to measure how many of those fit between the two marks. So I just have markers close to me, so I'm going to use markers. You can use anything. You can use a fork, or you can use forks, you can use Q-tips, you can use pins. The kids can use, if they love their cars or Legos, they can line up cars or Legos. Anything they like. So here we go. They're going to start at one end, and they're just going to line up whatever they have end to end like this and make it go from one end of their body to the other. Okay, so just like this, I'm lining them up until it reaches the other end, okay? So I've got my markers lined up. This is how many markers long I am. So after your child makes it go from one end to the other, you're going to just have them count how many they are. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I am 12 markers long. Okay, and then they can take them away and they can use something different. Because if I use crayons for this activity, it's going to take a lot more crayons for me to get from one end to the other because they're shorter. Okay, so I can use something different and measure how many of those I am. So if I get my crayons down here, I can go from one end to the other and then count how many crayons long I am. Then I might go get something different. I might go and get some Hot Wheels cars and do it that way. And each time they do it, count how many items long they are. So this is our measuring activity for today. It's super easy, very fun. Kids love it. So hope you guys have a great time doing that. See you tomorrow.